Spacious two-bedroom apartment, Riverdale/Kingsbridge area, Bronx, New York. Welcome home to this spacious two-bedroom apartment located in the highly desirable Riverdale/Kingsbridge section of the Bronx. Situated within a classic walk-up building, this apartment offers a comfortable layout, generous room sizes, and convenient access to transportation, shopping, parks, and nightlife. As you step inside, you're welcomed directly into the kitchen, thoughtfully designed with a large center island that creates the perfect space for cooking, dining, or entertaining. The kitchen flows seamlessly into an open dining and living room area, offering a bright and comfortable central gathering space with plenty of room to relax or host guests. From the living room, the apartment leads into two large full-size bedrooms, each offering its own closet and window for natural light and storage. The layout provides a comfortable separation between the living and sleeping areas, making the home both functional and inviting. The bathroom is conveniently located just off the kitchen area for easy access. Apartment features: spacious two-bedroom layout, large kitchen island, open dining/living room concept, full-size bedrooms with closets and windows, a hardwood flooring, heat and hot water included, pets upon approval, on-site super available, walk-up building, neighborhood highlights. Located near major shopping corridors, supermarkets, restaurants, cafés, fitness centers, and entertainment, everything you need is just approximately 1 to 2 blocks away. The surrounding Riverdale and Kingsbridge neighborhoods offer a vibrant mix of local dining, nightlife, and scenic residential charm. Transportation: approximately 1 block to the 1 subway line at Van Cortlandt Park, 242 ND Street Station. Nearby local and express bus lines provide convenient access throughout the Bronx and Manhattan. Approximately 35 to 45 minutes to Midtown Manhattan via public transportation. Approximately 20 to 30 minutes to Manhattan by car, depending on traffic. Parks and recreation: enjoy easy access to some of the Bronx's most recognized outdoor spaces, including Van Cortlandt Park, Riverdale Park, Yoon Park, Seton Park. Nearby attractions: Bronx Zoo, a New York Botanical Garden. Enjoy the perfect balance of residential comfort, neighborhood convenience, and easy city access, all within one of the Bronx's most established and connected communities.